Radio Follies does not discriminate against any person on the basis of race, religion, color, gender, sexual orientation, age, national origin, disability, veteran status, or condition. Please note recordings of non-encrypted two-way radio traffic for non-commercial use is allowable by law. See links below.
No one should have a reasonable expectation of any privacy on the public airwaves.
Radio Follies takes privacy very seriously and deletes all personal information nefariously posted on the comments section. Radio Follies tries its best to adhere to YouTube community guidelines. Videos are meant only to be humorous and informative.
Please note, with the advent of smartphones and the phenomenon of video gates, YouTube policy is nebulous on the subject. Radio Follies out.